24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In this video, we will cover the topic of satellites from chapter 9 of Science Grade 5. The video will cover natural satellites, artificial satellites. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson on the previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them, what is a satellite? Are there any types of satellites? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation for the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise the characteristics of satellites. Keep writing their responses on the board. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what a satellite is. Ask them to recall about the moon. Tell them that it is the natural satellite of the Earth. Tell them about the natural satellite of other planets. Draw a table on the board showing planets and number of their moons. With the help of the textbook, tell the students what an artificial satellite is. Tell them about their uses and importance. Show to the students pictures of different types of satellites. If a multimedia is available, you can show to the students pictures or videos of satellite on it. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students different types of satellites and the roles they play. You can also conduct a discussion in the classroom about the space programs in Pakistan and whether Pakistan will be able to send its satellite in space in near future. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to prepare a model of the satellite by using common items like plastic bottles, aluminum sheets, straws, etc. Ask them to take help from an adult. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.